What was that? I think it's a phone delivery. Number one, I hate you, phone. I hate your phone. Why won't you call them? Let me see what is happening now. Should I just leave the back off? Ah! This is an LG flip phone. My nanny has used it before. I've thrown it lots of times like this. That's the second phone delivery. What is that thing? Just kidding, that didn't really sting me. It's probably stinging my iPhone. Back! I got it. Boom. Should we throw it without a back? Nope. There, I'll put it back on. Boom! Now where did that land? What? 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 What am I seeing? That battery wasn't in the phone. What just happened, guys? And what happened? Guys, I think this is a glitch in the Matrix. What? When I crashed a digital camera, that was not there. And I posted it on Facebook, but I did the rest of it inside. I kind of did it outside. But what? I gotta say, I found a glitch in the Matrix going outside. Daddy,
Yes.
I think I found a glitch in the Matrix.
Oh, yeah, one of the ones like we seen on there.
Uh-huh.
What happened?
I don't know what, but this battery was literally just sitting outside. And when I crushed my digital camera outside, it wasn't there. Or I just didn't see it.
Did you take your digital camera and throw it?
What camera?
What camera?
And when I threw it and destroyed it, this battery wasn't there. Guys, I just found a
Then
glitch
it was
in
there,
It wasn't there. Well,
but you have it now.
yeah. What happened?
I don't know. What happened? Was it wasn't there and then it was?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. You
And
probably
it-
just didn't see it and then you found it. You think?
Yeah, and I think when it rained, I had already done that, and it rained today,
Yeah.
and that wasn't there, and the water indicator didn't light up. Guys, I think I found a glitch in the Matrix, but let's go back outside. Steps. These steps look like a good place to crush. Oh, do they not? Let's find out. What? The Snackleberries? That was so big. I got it only cold. Oh my gosh. That's what a noob would do. Oh no. Outlook just popped up. I have no idea what that is. Phone garbage. This phone is garbage. Oh my gosh. Go in there. Go in the septic tank. Oh gosh. Bug on me. Get in there. Ah. And that was the end of clutching some phones. I really did a good job. Oh my gosh. Hope you have a good day.